Hi guys, so it's my mom's birthday and I'll be cooking some oxtail with rice and peas and some salad for her. So this is my oxtail. I'm about to throw some vinegar in it and let it soak a bit. It's a lot of oxtail and they're quite big chunks. So I'll cut the extra fat off of the oxtail. Let me put some of the vinegar in. Anyways, how are you guys doing? I hope you're enjoying your weekend or week whenever this video reaches you. I hope you're all okay and having a good time. Haven't seen you guys in a while, so I hope everything is well. And I hope you enjoy this meal that I prepared for my mother. So I'm just gonna let that soak for a bit, then I'm gonna season. Okay guys, so these are the seasoning I'll be using in my oxtail. I love this because it's salt-free, but it gives a really nice flavor. Some mixed herbs, black pepper, adobo all-purpose. This one obviously has salt, but it's no MSG. Then I use some garlic salt, and then when I'm starting to cook down the meat to gravy, I'll add some of this to it. So that's basically what I've used to season my oxtail. There you have it. So guys, I did cut all the extra fat off of the oxtail. I forgot to tell you that I did cut the extra fat because it had lots of fat on it. So I did cut the extra fat. It was quite fatty. So I'm going to brown these in different batches and then put them in my pressure cooker. Brown them on both sides, and then I'm going to put that in my pressure cooker. Let's put everything in there, Peg. Okay guys, so I've just put my butter beans in and I'm gonna let it cook down to gravy. I've put some oyster sauce to give it that little pizzazz. So I'm gonna probably add some more water because it looks like it's drying out a bit. So yeah, fogging up. That's what it's looking like. Cooking down nicely after being pressured for 20 minutes. all done. Yes, sir. It's about time that I share this out for my peeps, and we are going to chow down with some salad and some pineapple juice. And there you have it. My rice and peas is actually, it's supposed to be green pigeon peas, but it came out that color. And some oxtail here. Okay guys, so for the drinks, for this whole dinner thing, I'm going to be doing pineapple juice, and I'm going to add a few carrots to it. So I've got my pineapple there, and I've got some ginger, and then I'm going to add some carrots. So I'm going to make a lovely homemade pineapple juice. I hate cutting up pineapples, but it's got to be done. These are my carrots and my pineapple for my drink, and I've got some ginger in there, and I'm going to be blending that up, which you guys will see. Okay guys, I'm about to make my salad. I've got some tomatoes, onions, cucumbers and lettuce all washed and ready to go. I'll probably add some peppers. So guys, this is my salad I just made. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber and onions. And there's my beautiful mom. Say hello.
Hi.
It's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at the hairstyle. Mommy, how was the food?
It's delicious. Very nice.
Okay, she's cleaning her plate. Enough said, guys. My mom said it was delicious. Happy birthday again, Mom.
Thanks.